Hi. So, uh, for today, we are going to brief about 7.3 no? Physical digestion, or you can say that it's mechanical digestion. So, this will be the definition no? Maybe now. This will be the definition. The breakdown of food into smaller pieces without chemical change to the food molecules. So, the keyword for here is breakdown of food because it's digestion ma. And then after that, without chemical change to the food molecules. Okay, how this physical digestion work or mechanical digestion lah? They increase the surface area of food. For enzymes action in the chemical digestion. So we will start with physical. After ingestion means we take in the foods lah. And then they will start with mechanical digestion or physical digestion lor, to increase the surface area of food. And then after that, they will move on to chemical digestion, which is they use enzyme to break down the food molecules into smaller ones, and then they absorb it. So this physical digestion or mechanical digestion can be carried out in 3 ways lah. First one is the teeth. We chew the food with our teeth ma. Second one is the churning action in the stomach. And then third one is emulsification of fats by bile. So this one emulsification actually means that the lipids they are in large molecules ma. So they will break them down into small fats droplets. Easier for them to digest chemically. So now we learn the first one first, the chewing action of the teeth. So this one, the human teeth this part you have to learn 3 things lah. One is types of teeth and then their function. And then after that, structure of their teeth. Third one, the overall function of human teeth lah. Okay, teeth chew food and cut them into smaller pieces to increase surface area of food for enzyme activity. So this is basically what they do lah. They chew food to cut the foods into smaller pieces lah, and then surface area increase. So the enzyme activity can be finished faster lah. So we have 4 types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. Okay, let's look at the function lah. Incisor is for cutting and biting. And then canine, this one lah. You see up here they are like more sharp. This one is for cutting lah. And then this one canine they use for holding also lah. Premolar and molar is for chewing and crushing, both also same. Just that molar is in inwards a bit lah. Okay, and then after that we move on. This is the structure of a teeth lah. 4 types of teeth, the structures are the same, just that their shape is different. So this one, let's look from the most outwards one and then to the inner part lah. So first one is enamel. Enamel is the hardest tissue in the body, produced by 2 forming cells made of calcium salt. And then this one is cannot be renewed or extended once formed. So this one is the outermost part lor. So this one, the one that we see lah, white or yellowish white like that one the part. And then after that, inside we have dentin. Dentin holds the major part of tooth lah, harder than bone, also made of calcium salt, and then deposited on framework of collagen fibers. The functions I will highlight them in blue color lah. So dentin contains series of fine canals which extended to the pulp cavity. Pulp cavity is inside here lah. Okay. And then, okay, we have gum over here outside of the teeth lah. So gum covers junction between enamel and cement. Cement is inside on lah. And then after that, recede with age. So as we grow older and older, the gums they will recede lah. Okay. After dentin, when we move inwards a bit, we have pulp cavity. So pulp cavity, what they do is actually, they contain tooth-producing cells, blood vessels, and nerve endings. This is to detect pain lah. And then blood vessels confirm is for providing nutrients for the teeth lah. Okay. And then nerve is to detect pressures during chewing and biting, and also detect pain lah. Cement, similar in composition to dentin, but without canals. So it is also made of calcium salt deposited on framework of collagen fibers. Same, but they don't have canals over there. Cement, it basically helps to anchor the tooth to the jaw, so that our teeth won't shake lah, won't come out. Membrane over here. It is bundles of collagen fibers, also anchor cement, covering tooth of the jaw to the jawbone. So this one is jawbone, and then blood capillaries. Here we have the capillaries over here to transfer the blood, the nutrients in the blood lah. Okay. And then lastly we have these two lah. So after the chewing action by teeth, we have the churning action in the stomach. So this one, why we say that stomach actually involves physical digestion also, because stomach, they will secrete hydrochloric acid. This is to create optimum pH for enzyme activity. So because the proteins, the enzyme that break down protein, is acidic one lah. Not acidic. They work best in acidic environment. That's why they need to have this hydrochloric acid there to provide the acidic environment, so that it can work in the most efficient condition lah. And then other than that, it also helps to kill harmful microorganisms lah. Okay. Okay, secondly, other than hydrochloric acid, it also secretes mucus. This mucus is to protect walls of stomach from attack by gastric juice, which is acidic. So because the whole thing is acidic and then if something is too acidic it will be corroded by the acid or the alkaline. So to prevent that from happening in our stomach, so our stomach will secrete mucus to like put a layer around the walls of stomach to protect the wall. Okay. Lastly, emulsifying of fats by bile. So bile is secreted by the liver and then they will be stored in the gallbladder. So the bile will move from the gallbladder to the digestive tract, and then after that, this is to emulsify fats which is they break down a large fat molecules into smaller size one. This is to increase the surface area for enzyme activity actually all three mechanisms, teeth, stomach, and bowel, also increase surface area to make the enzyme activity, the rate of the enzyme activity faster or easier. So that's all for 7.3, and then see you in the workbook discussion video lah.